let's go ahead and add some more visualizations. Okay, I want to push this one here. Okay, and then let's call the dates over here, or probably not dates. Okay, let's look at something. Let's look at just the month. Let's put the month over here as valued. Okay, now let me push this guy here up here. Okay, then let me push just the discount here. So I want to plot that of the month against the discounts. Okay, all right, so we can use this one, something like this, which is really cool. Yeah, so you can see that this is telling you that in the month January, for instance, this one we had just 3, which is taking 8.22% of the entire discount that was given out, and this one is also telling us that July took 8.49% of the entire discount given out in the year, and this one is also saying May, and this is given that. Okay, so we can try a whole bunch of visualizations. Okay, so we can go ahead and then look at that of the month and the quantity sold. Okay, all right, so this is month against quantity sold. All right, so we can look at this one. Okay, so let me push this one here, and we can see that this is month against quantity sold, and that. So this is page 1. Actually, we can go to page 2 and then continue with all of our visualizations. Okay, so we can look at that of month as against sales, and that is something I think we have already. So we can just pick just any of them. Okay, just any of them, and that's going to do fine, depending on what you want to do or what you want to display out there. You can pick this, and oh no, I don't want this one. You can choose this one to see how it's going to look like, and that is if you really understand what is going on over here. Okay, but it's actually just telling you that in the month of October, this is how much sales you made, 15 million, and that. So this is telling us that the value keeps growing, it keeps growing, it keeps growing. So you should expect that January, say 2021, we should expect something over here. We are not doing predictions though, but this is what the data is saying, that it keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up, like that. Okay, all right, so thank you.